Hi, I'm Todd McLeish from the URI News Bureau, and I'm here today with Kathleen Gorman, Director of URI's Feinstein Center for a Hunger-Free America. Welcome to the program, Kathleen. First, can you tell us how big a problem is hunger here in Rhode Island and beyond?
Well, we generally think that hunger is a problem for about 10% of the population in Rhode Island, and that means either people who don't have enough food to eat, who skip meals, or who eat meals that are not nutritious because they don't have the resources to buy nutritious food. Those who actually experience hunger, which means missing a number of meals, is a somewhat smaller percentage, maybe 3% of the population, but we're still talking about a large portion of the population, and that's true nationwide as well as in Rhode Island.
Kathleen, you're coordinating this year's Fall Honors Colloquium, the 13-week series of public events to talk about issues of hunger. How important is it for you to have a public forum like this to talk about these issues?
I think it's incredibly important because, first of all, it's a problem that people are very sympathetic to but don't really understand that it's there. We don't see hunger, we can't see hungry people. And I think during an election year it's important to call attention to problems that actually have solutions, that if people all work together and we form the political will, we can actually end the problem.
Can you tell us a little more about the highlights of this year's Fall Honors Colloquium?
I think the colloquium is really exciting, and every single event is going to be an important one. We're starting out with some global speakers who will talk about the issue both nationwide and worldwide, and then we'll move down to more local issues at the national level. We're going to have someone from the U.S. House of Representatives to come and talk about congressional responses to hunger, and then we'll be looking at issues of charity, issues of the role of business community, issues of wages and work, and how people who are hungry, many of them are working out in the community but just don't make enough money. So we'll have topics that I think will have a broad scope of interest for a number of people. And then at the end, we're going to talk about what we can do here in Rhode Island. So we're going to really try to cover it all.
Thanks very much, Kathleen. We're going to send the program back now to Coach Tim Stowers and Steve McDonald.